Wicknell Chivayo is just donated vehicles to all ZANU-PF provincial chairpersons, as well as to all provincial hospitals in the nation of Zimbabwe. And let us take a look on this story. So it has been reported by ZimLive that Wicknell Chivayo donated cars to provincial leadership of ZANU-PF, as well as ambulances to each and every provincial hospital. So ZimLive says a month before ZANU-PF's National Congress, businessman Wicknell Chivayo and an ally of President Hopeful Kulakwasheta Gray has donated personal top-of-the-range Land Cruisers worth 200,000 each and 100,000 cash to each of the party's 10 provincial leaders. He says for working very hard in the shadows, but rarely receiving the public recognition they deserve. He has also donated 10 ambulances, each one for each provincial hospital. He says in celebration of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's 83rd birthday today. So it's happening as we speak right away, and those are some of the pictures, I believe, of the cars. So these are the pictures of the ambulances, and I think they're being distributed by Faramazi. So this is what Wicknell Chivayo has done. There are people are celebrating the birthday of Emmerson Mnangagwa, and when I say people, I mean ZANU-PF people. They are celebrating the birthday of Emmerson Mnangagwa today, and these are the donations which are being given as we speak. So a lot of people are giving different and various conclusions about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and key takeaways from whatever which happened through Chivayo. Analysts are saying that Chivayo is doing this to make sure that each and every provincial chairperson will convince the party structures in their respective provinces to stamp or to rubber stamp the resolution number 1. Because remember, the conference is coming. They will need to make some resolutions. They will need to make some agreements, and they are also preparing for the Congress. So let me tell you some of the things which I have heard with one ear. They are saying that at the coming conference, there are going to be proposals that they shift the dates of the Congress from 2027 to an earlier date. That is the information at hand right now, because this faction is scared that the longer it takes for them to achieve the agenda, the more riskier it is for them to continue running this 2030 agenda. So this is the information so far, that they want to try by all means possible to push for change of dates for the upcoming Congress. So I'm not so sure if they are going to be able to outmaneuver or even table that proposal, but that is the plan. So for Wicknell to do so, you will need to convince provinces. So provincial chairpersons, 100,000 United States dollars each, plus a vehicle worth 200,000. To some people, they are very happy about such a donation, and that is ZANU-PF for you. ZANU-PF people, they can be excited on something which is not even normal. So when we are looking at the faction of General Chiwenga, it seems as if they only have strategies. They only have hope in the military power, but they do not have financial muscle to fight. They don't have enough money to be fighting. So imagine 10 provincial chairpersons, 200,000 vehicle each. You can do the mathematics. That is 2 million for you, plus 100,000 each. That is 3 million. So 3 million United States dollars just used for the provincial chairpersons only. And this time around, these cars, they've been given in personal names of the individuals concerned right here. So that is the difference. Remember, they were given vehicles. ZANU-PF claimed them and said each and every vehicle given using party name, it must be submitted to the party. This is the second attempt. They've been given other vehicles. So the vehicles which were donated by Kudakwashe Tagwirei, they were taken away, but Chivayo is coming back again to give them vehicles. So to me, it's a setback for the faction of General Chiwenga and others, because these provincial chairpersons are going to push so much to their own benefit, because remember, in ZANU-PF is about benefiting, it's about eating, it's about being very close to where you benefit so much. So, but the other challenge which is going to be faced by provincial chairpersons is this money is concentrated more on the top leadership or on the top echelon. Imagine if they are given district chairpersons some gifts. Imagine if they say, if they downsized the gifts from 200,000, you can actually buy a lot of people cars. You know, if they were being distributed to district chairpersons, it was going to be better. But this is what is happening. So this is what we have for you, and this is the news update. VP Chiwenga is facing a lot of setback as the allies of Kudakwashe Tagwirei continue to try and outmaneuver him. Recently, they've donated 10 cars to provincial chairpersons. And to cleanse his name, Chivayo also donated 10 ambulances to each and every provincial hospital, which means this time around, they will tell the people to say, okay, you cannot always complain, you cannot always say negative things about say Wicknell Chivayo. So that is what I've seen so far. The team aligned to Wicknell, Tagwirei and others, they are actually trying by all means possible to blackmail us and say, Simon Chivayo donate my ambulances to my provincial hospitals. That is the narrative so far. So that narrative is going to spread like wildfire. It's going to continue because these people, they are eager and determined to create a different perception, to create a different image, especially for the faction Remafidi. So this is very, very interesting politically. It's a setback to General Chiwenga, but it depends on who holds real power in the nation of Zimbabwe. And as I always say, the biggest problem is we have a lot of factionalism happening right now in the nation of Zimbabwe, including within the security clusters. So it then becomes a problem to a lot of people. So including those within ZANU-PF, they are affected by the same. So this is what we have for you. We'll continue to look at what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and we'll continue to update you.